This is a text of press conference on the availability of PMX and slight reduction in price during the Yuletide season, Christmas and New Year, by the leadership of the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, today, 7th January 2025. Gentlemen of the press, I warmly welcome you all to this crucial press briefing by the leadership of the National Association of Nigerian Students. First, we wish to commend and thank the Group Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, Mr. Kyari. We have observed the significant impact of his diligent, hardworking, and visionary leadership. His commendable efforts in rehabilitating, repositioning, and operationalizing the Port Harcourt and Warri refineries, where crude refining has commenced and are yielding visible results. The work that has been ongoing for years has begun to bear positive outcomes. It is noteworthy that during the 2024 Christmas and 25 New Year celebrations, the nation did not experience any form of artificial fuel scarcity or panic buying, a situation that had in previous years become a troubling tradition. Additionally, transportation fares at public and private motor parks across Nigeria were not hiked during the Yuletide season. These developments significantly reduced the stress and financial pressure on our teeming millions of students who travel during the season to reunite with their families and loved ones. Reports from the National Association of Nigerian Students National Secretariat through our zonal and state joint campus council structures and in collaboration with the Office of the Director of Travel and Exchange, DTE, confirm that our members have expressed great joy on various social media platforms. They particularly appreciate the reduction in fuel price at PMS retail outlets nationwide. Under Mr. Kyari's leadership, the NNPCL has undergone numerous progressive reforms aimed at enhancing accountability, transparency, and nation building. These reforms include, but not limited to, publication of monthly financial and operational reports, publication of detailed financial statements, passage of the PIA 2021, the Ajokuta Kaduna Kanu gas pipeline project, rehabilitation and upgrades of System 2B facilities, and the Atlas Cove Depot optimization project, the rehabilitation of the NNPC towers, upgrade of 5 NNPC jetties to international ship and port facility securities ISPS code standards, remodeling, completion of the 4-story research, technology, and innovation building RTI in Abuja. We believe that the NNPC and Nigerian oil industry deserve the unflinching support of students, youth groups, and civil society organizations, all of whom are beneficiaries of these remarkable improvements. Such support will help shape public opinion in favor of the recent achievement of the NNPC. In addition to this accomplishment, the NNPCL has demonstrated its commitment to corporate social responsibility under Mr. Kyari's stewardship. Notable projects include construction and rehabilitation of 21 federal roads under the Roads Infrastructure Tax Credit Scheme, the Maiduguri Emergency Power Project, the construction of hospitals under the Frontier Exploration Service FES, CSR initiative in the Upper Benue Trough, resolution of oil block disputes to boost production in ML 25 and ML 125. We also use this medium to commend our pragmatic and visionary President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for providing Mr. Kyari with the necessary support to implement transformative policies in the oil and gas sector. We strongly believe that as these policies continue to unfold, PMS prices will undergo further downward reviews in the retail market, benefiting more Nigerians, just as the marketers has rightly predicted. Finally, we reiterate our unwavering solidarity and patriotism towards our great nation, even as today we gather to inaugurate the Convention Planning Committee of NANS that will usher in a new leadership of NANS in 2025. Long live Nigerian students, long live the NNPCL, long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and on behalf of Nigerian students, Pedro Chibuzobi, NANS President.
Nigeria must unite. Nigeria goes up. Nigeria goes up. Nigeria must